How to Win Friends and Influence People, written by Dale Carnegie in 1936, is a classic self-help book that provides practical advice on interpersonal communication and building relationships. The book is divided into 4 sections, each focusing on a different aspect of human relations. Here are some key takeaways. Fundamental techniques in handling people. First, don't criticize, condemn, or complain. Second, show genuine interest in others. Third, make others feel important. 6 ways to make people like you. First, smile. Second, remember and use people's names. Third, be a good listener. Fourth, talk in terms of the other person's interests. Fifth, make the other person feel important. Sixth, sincerely make the other person feel important. 12 ways to win people to your way of thinking. First, avoid arguments. Second, show respect for the other person's opinions. Third, admit when you are wrong. Fourth, begin in a friendly way. Fifth, get the other person saying yes immediately. Sixth, let the other person do most of the talking. Seventh, let the other person feel the idea is theirs. Eighth, try honestly to see things from the other person's point of view. Ninth, be sympathetic to the other person's ideas and desires. 10th, appeal to the nobler motives. 11th, dramatize your ideas. 12th, throw down a challenge. 9 ways to change people without giving offense or arousing resentment. First, begin with praise and honest appreciation. Second, call attention to people's mistakes indirectly. Third, talk about your own mistakes before criticizing the other person. Fourth, ask questions instead of giving direct orders. Fifth, let the other person save face. Sixth, praise every improvement, even if small. Seventh, give the other person a fine reputation to live up to. Eighth, encourage and make the other person happy about doing what you suggest. Ninth, make the other person feel important and do it sincerely.